One thing I would focus on as a business owner or as a content creator that has a Pinterest business account to have a successful Pinterest strategy, I would focus on one massive thing: keywords. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munira Navira Butt. You go to Tech Savvy Virtual Assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. What drives traffic to your website, pins to your profile to build your business account on Pinterest? The number one thing I usually focus on when it comes to creating a successful Pinterest strategy for my clients is keywords. Keywords are important when creating everything concerning a Pinterest business account. For a successful Pinterest strategy, keywords are the master drive. Keywords are used in bio, title, description, and notes. When your Pinterest business account has optimized keywords, you're able to drive traffic to your pins, and it's driving traffic to your website, leading to sales. Here's why I focus on keywords when creating a Pinterest strategy. Number one, when people search for keywords on Pinterest and your pins have keywords, you have a high chance of people clicking on your pins and reaching out to you. Number two, keywords help you to target your ideal clients. Example, if you are in tech and you're focusing on helping people with tech gadgets, meaning your Pinterest strategy has to have keywords that are specifically targeting individuals who are into tech gadgets, laptops, computer, and etc. This helps you target specific individuals who are interested in your services or products, hence driving sales to your business. Finally, when it comes to Pinterest business account, your focus is driving traffic to your website. So if your keywords are highly optimized on Pinterest, you're driving traffic to your website, and this means you're improving your search engine optimization. It's because when people click on your pins and they click on your link to your website, they are able to read your blog posts, reach your YouTube videos, to reach your website, whereby you have all the things concerning your product or services. And if your website is highly ranked, you'll be able to drive more traffic to your business, and thus increasing revenue in the long run. So if you're a business owner and you have a Pinterest business account and you want to improve your reach, here is how you can choose the right keywords for your Pinterest marketing. 1. Brainstorm a list of keywords you think your ideal clients might be looking for when they're looking for your service or your product. Number 2, use a Pinterest search engine tool, and I recommend to use Pinterest as the #1 search engine. 3, choose keywords that are relevant to your audience. If you are into parenting skills, you have to choose keywords that are concerning parenting skills. Number 4, use a variety of keywords in your pins. Use them in your bio, in your titles, in your descriptions, and in your notes. If you need help with optimizing your Pinterest business account, reach out to me and book a free 15-minute discovery call. Link in the description box below. If you have any questions, suggestions, comment down below in the comment sections. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you like this video, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.